Being scammed in the online world is something that's very painful, especially if it's your last card and you're looking for a way out, a way to pay your house rent, a way to be financially free, a way to make a living out of yourself, especially if you're in Africa, Nigeria, Ghana, Uganda, you know, trying to make a way out and then it's not working out. You've tried out many things and it ended up to be a pyramid scheme, a referral scheme, and then you're more like, oh, what's the way out and frustrated. All right. So I'm here to bring to you a platform called Google AdMob. This is like 18 years been in existence. Okay. So you might be asking, what's Google AdMob? Okay, how is it done? What's it about? What are the things requirements needed for me to make it big in Google AdMob? Reason no more, I'm here for you. Okay. This is my fifth year in Google AdMob. Okay, let me run a quick breakdown of Google AdMob, how it's done, how you can really stand, how you can make a living out of Google AdMob. So Google AdMob is a company that run adverts. Okay, they run adverts in apps. Any app you open and see advertisements in that app is sponsored by Google AdMob mainly. Okay, all right. So Google AdMob is a company owned by Google. They run advertisements for companies, but their medium is apps. Okay, so you might be asking, sir, okay, how can I benefit from this? Okay, the requirement is simple as this: create an app that has a function. The keyword is a function. Number two, register that app under Google AdMob. Number three, Google approves the app and you earn from it for a lifetime. Okay, I'm here to mentor you from every step to you make it be from Google AdMob. Okay, and I would like to be very honest with this particular thing. In this online space, there are many people that are after your money. They just say, okay, I create apps for people, and then when you pay them, your money is gone. They run away with your money. Okay, so I've come to a way to prove more genuinity and to be more honest. Okay, so before I go to those particular aspects of being honest, all right, let me show you guys proofs I've gotten from this for the last 2 3 years ago. Okay, let's get that. Okay, now let me go back. Okay, this is my earning for this month, August. Last month, sorry, August, 12 million. All right, this for the month of, yeah, 12 million. This for the month of July, 13 million. This, okay, let me show you guys other proofs. This for the month of what? This March, 12 million from this. Okay, okay. This for the month of what? April this year, 5 million. This for the month of what? March, 7 million. So this has been I've been earning from this my students made 3 million from this. All right. This for the month of November last year, 2022. How much? 5.2 million. This mother students were making close to a million naira with this. So it has been there. These are my students abroad. I put them through. It has been there. Can you see? This for the month of what 2023, 6 months, 4.8 million. Can you see? Can you see? It's for the month of what 2.5 million. Can you see? Look at my students. I put them through in my method, in my way of earning from this. Okay. So look at the apps I created already. So let me show you something. I made some apps already. These are the apps that I made already. Number one is this quiz app. Okay. The apps already has been created. So it's just if you want to actually be among this earning method with Google AdMob. Okay. All you just all like you just need to do is create an account with Google AdMob. All right. Buy this app from me. The apps already has been created already. I register it with your AdMob with account details. That is your AdMob account details. I earn from this for a lifetime. Earn from it. This is number one app. Okay, I'm sure on that app too. Made for this. This Alien app too. It's a game. Can you see? Can you see? I have many apps up for sale. They are all up for sale. You don't need to come and for it to get scammed. For it to not like anything scam here. I don't do sort of shit. No, I've been into this game for more than many years. Can you see? Can you see? I have many apps up for sale. This is an Android ebook. I want this video to be short as possible. This is an e-commerce website I created already. An app I created already. There are many apps. There are many apps. There are many apps. Look at the video, download the app too. Can you see? There are many apps. Can you see? So it's as simple as this. Buy an app from me. Google will register with Google AdMob. Can you see it ads? This is a test ad. This is not real ads, alright? The test ads. So if you buy the app and register it with your own details, Google details, these ads become real ads and you get in and you earn from it for a lifetime. As a newbie, your earnings, let me not exaggerate, should be $2,000 every month as a newbie. So if you want to know more about this, my link is below. Chat me up, okay? And this is my anti-ban app for people that have apps on Play Store and their earnings are low. Alright, this is my anti-ban app here. Can you see? This does the magic for me. It does the magic for me. Can you see it? Here. You put your banner code, there's a video code, and whatever video code here, and you earn for a lifetime. For a lifetime. Okay. So this app actually gives you high CPC, high earnings, and and prevents ban on your account. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. See you in my next video. Goodbye.